Hello, I'm here with Andy at Centify. Andy, thank you so much for joining me. It's good to see you again. If you wouldn't mind just giving me a little background on yourself and Centrify, that'd be great.
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Andy Heather. I'm the Vice President and General Manager of Centrify here in Europe. So we're a leader in the privileged access management space and a leader in zero trust privilege.
So I want to pick your brains a little bit around zero trust privilege. So how important is it for more organizations to adopt this, and what does it involve?
Sure. Well, the really good news first is that zero trust is really powering ahead right across Europe.
Right.
When I'm in various countries, I'm talking to leaders in industry, in the private sector and public sector, and the use of zero trust as an approach has certainly dramatically increased over the last couple of years. Now, that's really good news, but it doesn't come without its challenges, because we're just talking about the technology there. And one of the really important things to think about when you are looking to take a zero trust approach is to think about not just the technology, but also people and process as well.
Right.
And as we have this across Europe, you see different cultures will adopt this sort of technology, this approach, at a lesser or greater speed. Now, in some places like France, Germany, and the Netherlands, because of the strength of the workers' councils, there's some reluctance to how zero trust gets implemented in terms of perhaps thinking about monitoring the use of what those people are doing. So when you are looking and thinking about deploying and using a zero trust approach, it's really important in your early thinking, not just to think about the technology, but getting involved with the stakeholders and the individuals to make sure that they're fully bought into the process of what's going to happen.
Yeah.
Now, on the other side of that, also GDPR has been really, really important. That's driven a lot of activity in terms of organisations are much better placed today to know who's using the data, where the data is, the data flows within inside of those organisations. So they're much better placed to take a zero trust approach. Now, if you link that together with the speed in which organisations are moving to the cloud. Now, I saw some numbers recently to say that I think it's 54% of all organisations in Europe are deploying technology into the cloud, which is great. And that's up somewhere about 20% from where we were back in 2016. So the speed to the cloud is really important in helping drive this as well. So that's another really useful thing where you can deploy zero trust technologies.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for your time today and explaining that to us. I really appreciate it.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you.